Hi YouTube, so it is Crazy Dream Gal, aka Ree, and we are back at it again with another haul. So we have Forever 21 stuff now. So we're gonna start off with this Sprite candy, and I love Sprite. Sprite is my favorite soda, so of course I had to rep. I have a dress. It is a knit dress, light blue. So next we have this really cute maxi dress. And this is what it looks like. You can see this is kind of sheer right here. So it shows off a bit of a leg when you wear it. Really like the color as well. The pattern that caught my attention the most. And we have this, we'll have another dress, and it's tie-dye. So you can see it kind of like starts right here, and it shows off a bit of back. Pretty long as well. We have another dress. This one is kind of like a burnt orange color. Like, well, it's rust. So I had to buy something with like color. I had to buy like a lot of stuff with color because I realized when I looked at my closet that I had a lot of dark colors. So I went ahead and got some bright colors as well. Now, this has total Clueless vibes in my opinion. See? I feel like Cher. If I were to wear this, I think I could pair this up really well with some knee highs, some white knee highs.
Oh, as if.
Another dress. Black. Cute. Like, I am actually pretty pleased with the clothes, like the quality of the clothes from Forever 21, because everything was like super cheap, really cheap, and look at it, I mean, comfortable. Look at this. And everything I bought is in a small. I thought that that would be too little, but I think that a size like the small will work out for me in the long run. So we have another dress. This shows off a bit of boobage. So I'd probably wear a tank under this. I'm not sure. Just depends on how it fits. It's really long, really cute. So we have another soda-based crop top. This is Coca-Cola. It's really cute. I bought a lot of crop tops. As you can see, somebody is summer ready. And it's funny because the state I live in is mostly like winter. Like there's nothing like, I'm not saying like it's like Alaska, like the stereotype of Alaska where it snows all the time, but I'm saying that winter lasts a very, very, very long time here. And then the summer is like just gone. Like it's there and then it's gone for like 5 seconds. So I got a lot of summery type of stuff, considering that it doesn't last long here. But I really like this one. I'm honestly someone who's against wearing something that you can usually wear like on one day. Like I have a shirt that says Saturday, and I always forget to wear it on Saturday, so it just stays in my closet because I feel weird wearing it on a day that's not Saturday, but this is super cute. And it says Casual Friday, and it has this nice little ombre at the bottom on Friday. And it's black. So, now this one. This is super cute. When I was a kid, my favorite princess was the Little Mermaid. And to this day, I still have this huge soft spot for Little Mermaid stuff and mermaid things. I had to get this and it was on sale. So, and the fabric is like really soft and really nice. Okay, this is super cute. Let me see. Can you see this? The fabric is super soft, and I feel like this is what you would wear like on a really like laid back date, because it's such a cute flirty fit. You know what I'm saying? Like the colors, the fit, like I can't wait to wear this. Like, and I say like lots. Okay, so this is one of my favorites. It is a rose bandeau, and it like reminds me of Selena for one. I don't know, it just does. It gives me those types of vibes. But I really like, roses are my favorite flower, and I love the fabric, like it doesn't seem like it'll be too tight, like cut off any type of circulation. And I feel like it's really cute. Like it's still spring, so I feel like I could just pop this on one day, and then I can pop this on in the summer, and it's just awesome. BT Doves, I got like 2 of these because everything in this video is from 2 separate orders within like 2 weeks or so. Like I ended up ordering a bunch of the stuff that I liked but didn't get the first time. So they sent me these candies. Like, okay, so I opened up the bag, and I have a box as well because it's 2 separate orders, like I said. And they sent me this, what is it, mountain something. Then I got this Breakfast Club muscle tee, again in small. Really cool. And it has their letter from the end of the movie on the back of the shirt. So we have another dress. And both is a black one. It's a black dress. And this one isn't as long as the others. It's like kind of like a crop top, kind of. It's saying a label, so I'm not calling something stupid. It's like a knit top in cream. It has some really long skirts that just look great with. Anklets, you can kind of see it, but it's nothing. It hasn't had like any special design or anything. It's just like silver and it's like linked kind of. So I wear flip flops a lot, and I've always had a love of anklets. I don't know why, but I do. They're really cute, and I like silver as well. I'm not really into gold, even though that would probably look really good with my skin tone. But I ordered some socks. These have kissy faces on them, and these have lemons on them. So it's like pink lemonade. So now it's on to this big bag. I'm sorry if anything looks super wrinkly because I did shove it back in the bag. But so we start off with this tie-dye shirt, and I love tie-dye. I've loved tie-dye since I was a kid. So I'm a sucker for tie-dye themed stuff, and I almost got 2 of these. One was lighter than the other. This one's a vibrant one, and then one was like a kind of cotton candy-esque type. But I ended up just getting the one. And I can see myself wearing this to Cedar Point. I don't know, it's just really cute. And I always convince myself to not buy it. I'm like, why spend money when I can just make myself a really cool tie-dye shirt? But I don't regret buying this shirt at all because it's really cute and I love it. Then I got this PS2 shirt because this is where it all began for me when I was a kid. Well, it's not PS2, but it's PlayStation. And it has the little, what is it called? The gameplay controls on the back. Square, triangle, circle, X. I really like this shirt. And it's a crop top, I think. I think it is. And we have Coca-Cola shorts. So this would go with the shirt that I got, the crop top. These are donuts themed socks. Sprinkles, donuts. And you might be able to tell that I somehow ran out of socks. I don't even like wearing socks anyway, but suddenly all my socks disappeared. Well, then if I'm saying it wrong, just tell me in the comments. But it's black, just plain black. We have a dress. This is kind of ribbed. It's a knit dress. And it has like little buttons right here at the top. And then it just cherry Coke shirt. Had this 1971 shirt. It looks tiny, but it's really cute because of the colors and the vibes. We have this awesome icy shirt. This was my favorite as a kid, ices, and I remember I had this icy chapstick that I treasured, but then someone I know ate it. They ate the chapstick, and it broke my heart. So, in tribute, we have this awesome icy shirt. BT Dub, this dress I'm wearing is also, I will show everyone my goods. But it is also something that I ordered from Forever 21. So you can see the entirety of how it fits. It's a small, and I thought it would be super short on me, but it isn't. I'm 5'1" or 5 feet, one of those. So it fits fine. What is this? I guess it's just like a, oh yeah, it's just a regular white shirt. That is skirts that I can wear the white shirt with. Really cool. Cute. Very vibrant, but dark at the same time. I feel like I'm opening a bag of chips. I wish. We have another Sprite shirt. If you can, I'll put a side by side, but you can kind of tell the difference. This is like a crop top and the other is a cami. But I like Sprite enough that I got 2 shirts, and I was questioning getting the Sprite shorts, but I decided against it because I feel like it's way too much Sprite. This bandeau, and it is like a, was like a tube top slash bandeau, I guess, whatever. But it looks like a red and white bandana. This is the exact same dress that I showed you earlier, but in a different color. And it has the little buttons going down the top. And this is in, like, it's a blue. Navy blue. Okay, so I have a Pepsi crop top. Is that against the rules to have like something Pepsi and Pepsi, like something Pepsi and something Coke related? I feel like that's against the rules. Like, I feel like it's like a vegetarian and like, no, I feel like it's like a vegan and a carnivore sitting at the same table and like eating out of the same plate. What? Another bandeau, red. Okay, so this is a cherry pop shirt, cherry pop. I'm thinking it means soda, cherry pop, but I think it's a dirty play on saying cherry soda. I'm hoping. I don't know, I'm kind of scared to wear that shirt in public. Like, something in me is just like, why would you do this to yourself? Like, if I wear that in public, that just gives so many people what they think is the leeway to say something super, super gross, but we'll see. This is another shirt I got. I love the fabric. I love this soft fabric where it feels like I'm just lounging it and it's super comfortable and breathe and if my pores can breathe and all that jazz and stuff. And it says Lover. And it was super cheap. I think it was on Pants. We have this MTV crop top. We have a tube dress in white, which means this is going to be a dress I can wear on a day that I'm not going to eat because I am a messy eater. And guaranteed this will turn into one of those paintings like that they put in the gallery where it just looks like someone had a seizure and just held onto a paintbrush and just... We have an All That shirt. I almost didn't get this one, but I ended up getting it. Like I said, I love tie-dye. I think I got it for the tie-dye more than I did for the All That slogan. I didn't really watch All That like that as a kid. Okay, so this is whatever it is. I did not order this. I was supposed to be getting a French terry cloth romper, which I went on the website and reordered that, and hopefully they give it to me correctly, because this is not a French terry whatever freaking romper, okay? It's cute, but it's not what I ordered. So I called Forever 21 customer service, and I emailed them the picture they requested showing this outfit with the tags like 3 to 4 days ago. And all I know is last week. And they still haven't gotten back to me. So I will be returning this, well, attempting to return it in store. So let me know if you want an update on it or not. But it costs the same as the romper, but it's not the romper. I mean, it is cute. I almost want to keep it, but at the same time, it's not what I ordered. I would rather have the money back because I don't even know when I would wear this. But, yeah. We have another crop top, but it's Mickey Mouse, and it is yellow. I bought a lot of Disney stuff because I feel like when I do take my trip to Disney World, I have a lot of cute stuff to wear. A lot of Disney themed things to wear. So I'm excited because I got a lot of cute Disney stuff, and plus I'm a Disney fiend, so even outside of Disney World, life is stuff to wear. And we have this crop top, pinky thing, white, just white, nothing on it, just white. It is whales, and then we have a Jurassic Park graphic tee. Isn't it cute? It's a Jurassic Park tee. Crop top with Mickey Mouse on it. It is white with the stripes, kind of. Doesn't count as white with stripes. So that was my Forever 21 haul. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you so choose, and I will see you later on this week or in a few minutes if you binge watch the few videos I do have. Okay, bye!